Respected Madam Leela Sampson, Chairman Sangeeta Natak Academy, Padma Shri Dr. Nalli Kupasam Chetty, Shri A. Natarajan, and the awardee of this evening, Mridangam Maestro, Padma Vibhushan, Dr. Umayalapuram K. Shivaraman sir, musicians, music lovers, organizers, I welcome you all for this inauguration of Mudra's 19th Fine Art Festival starting from today till 6th January 2014. Mudra is 19 today. When Mudra was started in 1995, many raised their eyebrows and also commented, well, with so many sabhas already in existence in Chennai, why another sabha? This question posed a serious challenge to me, and I went into deep introspection about how to make this organization stand out distinctly and earn a unique name for itself. With my wife, Dr. Radha Bhaskar, I devised every program such that they were not only entertaining but also educative and enlightening to Rasikas. Thus, Mudra's motto of blending education and entertainment has been the secret behind its success. Mudra did have its initial teething problems, and many hurdles had been passed before it came to be hailed as an organization with a difference. Mudra is not mere sabha, it's a cultural movement. If you rewind Mudra's activities starting from 1995 to 2013, our experimentation in 1990 motivated us to start a full-fledged organization on 12th June 1995 with a 4-hour concert. In 1995, a thematic December festival inaugurated by Dr. M.S. Subbalakshmi. In 1996, one Raga, one Kriti festival, and we did a lot of one-day seminars. In 1997, Kalpita festival, 1998, Tala festival, 1999, Tukada festival, 2000, Pallavi festival, 2001, Janaka Janya festival and starting of music directory, 2002, Tamil Art Festival and started monthly magazine Samudra, 2004, Mass Singing of Global Peace took a project and made 5,000 children sing together in the presence of former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. In 2004, started Music Appreciation Program. In 2005, Music Workshop and Info Quiz in schools. In 2006, launched our Mudra and Samudra website, started Drama Festival. In 2007, launched Mudra Music, Videography and Editing Suite. In 2008, started producing documentaries. In 2009, we started our Veena Festival. In 2010, Yuva Sankirtan Festival, where about 100 children participate the whole day. And in the same year, we started a project of coordinating a congregation of 108 Mridangam artists at Ganapati Satchidananda Ashram at Mysore. In 2011, National Conference of Music Appreciation, in which many acclaimed artists and musicologists participated, and we also produced a series of CDs on music appreciation. In 2012, we conducted workshop and lecture demonstrations in schools. In 2013, to bifurcate entertainment and education, Mudra has created an offshoot called Palam. A name signifies Palam is an art form that has been launched with a view to create a bridge between fine arts, artists and art lovers. Palam aims at spreading art and cultural awareness through organizing unique and educative programs pertaining to all fine art forms. To cater to the needs of senior citizens, students and Rasikas all over the world, we have devised for the first time in the history of fine arts and completed a unique 52-week free webcast wherein in all Sundays a music, dance or drama is being webcast for the benefit of art lovers. This webcast has been made free for all Rasikas so that our art can be made accessible to all strata of people throughout the world. Some people asked why this webcast is free and not ticketed, and also why it is not on demand, so that we can watch whenever we want. Our purpose of free webcasting is not to earn money by ticketing, where only The so-called stars of fine arts field will be focused, and many truly talented artists with good potential get sidelined. Our purpose is to reach quality music, dance, drama to more number of people around the globe. The 24 hours marathon webcast was record of sorts amidst the various satellite channels, which received a great response during Deepavali. About more than 8,000 people have seen this 24 hours marathon webcast. All these untiring efforts are growing successfully year after year because of the two strong pillars of our organization. That is Dr. Nalli Kupusam Chettiar, our president, and Sri A. Natarajan, our vice president. We are very thankful for them for their financial and moral support, which takes up a step further in the Sabha culture, Today, there is an increase of cultural organizations in Chennai promoting fine arts, and many of them organize programs only during festivals. Only a handful of Sabhas run consistently throughout the year with proper membership and conduct programs every month dedicatedly throughout the year, preserving the traditional Sabha culture. We are proud that Mudra is one of them. Mudra is 19. Yes. By next year, it is going to enter to the 2 decades of useful service to the art field. Looking back at our achievements, we get a pleasure and motivation to march with full enthusiasm to serve fine arts more and more. It is with the help of artists, art lovers, patrons, and corporate houses that we are able to move forward successfully. We salute them and request them to be with us forever. Once again, I welcome you all. Thank you.